Nekirozo kikanyizira ira kunashomera mu kitabo cya Bible mu kitabo cy'emfumu umutwe gwo kubanza akanyerere gwo kubanza okugumizamo nikigira ngo umushemaga y'obwenge no kuhaburwa umwana wanjye ngira obwenge no kinyeta ngo uhurire bisho arukugambira kandi utanga ibinyuka arukwegesa ase cyo kikantera umuhimbo nkabankira umuto nyine myaka nka 20 nkashatu na mwendomo cyantera umuhimbo cyandetera kugumana ninyeshengereza ate cyandetera n'umuhimbo ubutanywa bisinza ebishinza byona nyotinda kubinywa amarwa okuresa kunakuzire natunga umukazi ntakuresa na hati nkintu umushara twatunga chance yo kutereza rozaro twazara abana mweno na tungano no kuzuma rweto nabo umushomesa katekisiti natandika kushomesa no kutembura myanya mingi yo kurangirira amakuru marungi mwene cyo cyantira umuhimbo neke nashomere mu kitabo cya okushururwa kwa Yohana umutugo 20 akanyereka kayikume na kamwe kugumizamo ati byamara bintera umuhimbo ubwo kugumizamo no gukora kurunge imirimo yanjye y'imikono natandika kujya nunda yibisa hanta natandika kuri senjoki natandika kuhinga n'ishamba ry'amajani natandika kugirente nembuzi nenkuko byambeyisaho okutunga makasente ko kureberereka yanjye aje bikantira umuhimbo mwingi na hati nibikintira umuhimbo konka hati kuntandikire kukura na marambo amezi nka namara ko mwako gunubanza nagira ngo bikanta kibasa amajani ngene ngakorana ngaretera kasente nyo no musyara wanje ibindi nabiguza ndeberere bikibindi abasi
okutambula kuno mwasimbula ddi okuva e Bushenyi era mukubo osanze kusomoozebwa ki
omukugenda okuramagoku tukabanza kukora novena buri muntu akatandika novena twagikorera hamwe buri muntu yagikora kumara ebiro 9 no yishengereza okorije kugenda okwemera omushana okwemera enjura okwemera ebijume okwemera emwirima kwanti genda nkiro ebyo byona twabishabirira twatungira amani go kama tukatandika shaha ishatu zakasheshe ibiro 11 twaza mu kitambo cya misa batambira ikitambo tumisha urugendo boyira twashika kabwohe twabyama umukasheshe tuyumukashamwenda tujya twarara umukasheshe kutuyumukire tujya twarara murizana twarara mbarara Uganda matazi twagumiza mututyo tweshengereza no kushabira abandi ekigenderero cyitu nikimo cyonka kuza kukwata novene kuza kutandikirwa hano ya nyincakare nicyo kigenderero cyitu tongerera hayitu abakoko bakuriye bakatwereza mu gishagwendo urgensia tumisyo urugendo twaharwa mu kitambo nanako haba batwakire natuba batwereza mu gishagwendo urgensia faza muronge batwakira no muhimbo icyo nicyo kikundetera umuhimbo okurangirira amakuru marungi mu bagenzi banjye cyo kandi cyo kumpa umuhimbo
owulira otya kati?
Nyina maanyi ati nyina oturu abokura ntureba ati nanawe naninza kuhumuraho mbwenu nyina maanyi n'ebigere byange tibizimbire mwenda kumanya ebigere ngo nibizimba nyizire no mu bukaito bw'omwenda bwampusyaha tinyine bulemezi bwona tinyine aho ndikushasha konka ni bukuru mbwenu bwa bukuru yote kuragurwa nyine maana abana mbire nimbasiga nyine emyaka yange igana
obadde ojja wano emyaka emeka emabega?
nkabanza kuramagaho okuruga 1969 nibo nabanza kuramaga ubu papa yeija katunge barahayo kuza mu rukiiko rwa papa kitabi parish ya kitabi natunge baraha nija naramagaha papa yabaturiza hariyo abana ndiho nondije anabandi ninyi nabiri barese bakawarigira utisenti kagwo umwana umwe natungana chance baraheje kandi jangu mwitaga no kuza mu rukiiko rwa papa umumbuga ya archbishop nabone karuzamu mwitaga kuzaha mikoro yo kuhasara ba bishop nabone karuzamu mukoro mwene kikagwa ntindetera umuhimbo okushoma mu kitabo cyo kushururwa kwa Yohana umutogwa 20 akanyereka 11 kugumizamo kikandetera nahite nikintera umuhimbo ngo amagara ganje agenseji ngije kungasira ati yani ndondo amagara g'umutima nicyo cyonka okuronda amagara g'umutima uranga kara tukunda ningaruka kari kuchikunda ningaruka uranga kakwata chikunzire tinkugaruka
What do you think you can talk about? Of course, I'm going to
everything. So this is how I dressed when I was living up to the night. On the day on Sunday, when I was welcome, I was really dressed.
So how do you feel? Are you strong?
Right now, as I was on the way coming, what helped me is that I was having drug or liquid bumps. I have experienced the pain. The leg could have got swollen, but I have been applying the drug on liquid. But as I'm speaking now, still there is that pain. Even these other friends of mine, they are nursing pain. We still have those pain. Even if God, as we have reached earlier, we are trying to treat, but still, we still have those pain.
I am now ready. Anyway, I can express myself, whether standing or sitting. Okay. I'm called Okelo Lawrence. I am very privileged and grateful this afternoon for you, the people, coming to check on us, the pilgrimage was already made here at the shrine. I am very happy that in this year's month, after 2 years lockdown, I have been the first person to arrive. I think it might be the good plans because I always see that everything I am doing, I am always number one. Even in 2019, I was the first pilgrim here. So I am very happy. I'm called Okelo Lawrence. I am from the Diocese of West Lango. I come from Apai district. For this year's journey, as it was already said to you, I use only 6 days and 6 nights for walking from Apai up to the shrine here. What has brought me, or what has made me to have this hope of walking for only 6 days and 6 nights is, one, I was checking the Lord. I was checking my Lord earlier. As the Bible says, check your Lord earlier when he can still be found. Because time will come when you will be interested in getting your Lord, but it will be late. You will not find him. So it is better as a youth, it is better as a Christian growing to check my Father earlier while I can still find him. That was one. Two, I have come to Namugongo because I have feel that I have developed my faith. In 2019, when I made the first pilgrimage journey, I was just still an ordinary Christian. But after making my journey to Namugongo on foot, on my way back home, a patch, God rewards me. As I'm speaking now, From ordinary person, I am now the sub-county youth councillor for Apache sub-county. I am able to represent my people at the sub-county. I am able to share developmental issues with my youth who have given me the what? Who have given me the power in my hand. Also, my purpose of coming to Namugongo is to come and continue strengthening, because Bible says the faith without work is useless. Faith without work is nothing to lot. And it is the reason why I have chosen that. I am still alive. I fear to be judged in heaven when my father calls me back to him that and asks me, say, my son Okelo, when you were in heaven, when I have created you at earth, what did you do? I have given you everything. Did you serve me? No. It is the reason why I've seen that. When I am still able to do the work of my father, I will have to do it. It's what has prompted me to come to Namugongo. And also, in that 2019, if I was the person, I always tell people that when we are living in this world, let us not what? Depend on ourselves. Let us not depend on human beings. Let us depend on the resources we have. Because I always see some of our people, they forget the person who created them. They only depend on things around them. So like Okelo, I feel that I will always continue working. Because even in 2019, when I was the first pilgrim, I was promised to be taken to the Holy Land, but I was not taken. So I said, no, I have not worked to be taken to Jerusalem. I have not worked to be taken to Israel. I have worked to put my faith in work. I have worked to serve my God. And it is what has made me again this year to come back as the first pilgrim. I am Okelo Lawrence. I am from the Diocese of West Lango, Apache. There, I am also serving as the youth councillor who was promoted after working in the first journey to Namugongo.
What health conditions you and some of your colleagues?
Today, all of us, we have got a general weakness. But according to the feeding, whatever we feel, we are okay. Yeah.
How did you get here after a long journey from Otuke? Which day did you make this carriage?
We came here on the 20, today is 24th. We reached here on the 22nd. 22nd June, May.
Along the way, what were the challenges?
There's a lot of challenges, but only one is that we have got many bruises in our legs, and there was no water on the way to drink, so we have to buy.
So how do you feel as for now?
Huh?
How do you feel?
I'm not somehow, because I took some medicine now.
Then people are keeping on asking, how do you try to do this exactly? Why are you moving from Otuke to Namugongo?
We came from Otuke up to Namugongo because of our faith. As I told you last time, I'm now 57 years, but I managed to walk.
When you ask him, he says, I'm okay. Although, last year, I had advised him not to attempt this, but this year. But it was just a piece of advice. But he says he's okay. But 100 years, 100 years, thanks be to God that such a person can make it. And there is a temptation, people saying, but is it true? Indeed, 100 years? But some people who looked at the baptism registers approve of that.
But when you talk to him, what informs his entire journey of moving from Bushenyi to Namugongo?
The faith. He has great faith. Remember, he's a retired catechist. And among his children, there is a sister, religious. And to the best of my knowledge, most of his friends have religion at heart. hurt. So this contributes to what he is like.
Okay,
Sorry.
when can we expect big numbers? When can we be hopeful that we shall start seeing big groups of pilgrims? Then you can also wrap up. When can we expect to receive pilgrims from Fort Photo, which is the organizing or the main celebrant of this year's martyrs?
I still have to make some investigations. Otherwise, by yesterday, pilgrims from Lira had reached Mijera, and Mijera is near Luwero. Near Luwero. But as I speak now, further investigations have to be made. As per now, sorry, I'm not able to predict.
Okay, tukole mu Uganda. Status report.
Nga bw'olaba ebigenda mu maaso wano abalamazi nga batuukira kumukumu si kwegamba nti bonna nti bakubeerawo ku lwesatu June, naye abalamazi bangi abataasobole kujja ku luli, abalabye nti ku luli kiribeera kizibu olw'omuntu omungi, bajja ne bagenda ne bajja ne bagenda, naye ate waliwo bo abajjidde ddala nga 3 June tujja kubasanga wano. Tugamba ab'e Bushenyi 16 balamba basonze eggulo nga bakulembeddwa musajja mukulu Bernaldo w'emyaka 10, ate tulaba omu w'entuŋŋamo eyabasoose okutuuka mukyala ebambi yagambye mbadde nzija nga tutambula naye natuuse we nnemerererwa kulinnya emmoloka ntuuse, naye era nga n'emyaka ogiraba era nga gyekyo, naye ekigambo kukkiriza kigambo kikulu.
Bernaldo yatuukidde mu mbeera ki era mu kaseera kana?
Bernaldo nze yaneewuunyisizza nnyo weewaawo nga yeeweseemu bw'ati, naye nga si kweweta okw'obubi. Ng'okiraba nti era ng'omuntu era yabadde mukoowumu, naye ate kati bw'omutunuulira olaba nga yafunye dda amaanyi ate amayitirivu. Kukkiriza n'engeri gye yabeerako omusomesa w'eddiini, ekyo kitegeerekeka. Kulaba omusomesa w'eddiini, eddiini yamusenserera ddala. Ne maka ge ayinamu n'omusisita, ayinamu omunnaddiini omusisita, ate kigambibwa nti n'abasinga okumubeera ku lusegere bantu abajjudde okukkiriza. Ano kino kyongera okutulaga Bernaldo kyali.
Tuddiramuko wali nsonga ki abalala gye bawanda oba oliawo eyinza okubalemesa okujja ku lunaku luli ne basalawo bajje balamage mu kaseera kano?
Anti ku lunaku olwo okiraba nti abantu babeera bangi nnyo okuva wano okutuuka wali. Ate emirundi egimu nze olumu nesanga ndi mu bbanga nga bansitudde, n'engeri gye natuuka waggulu saamanya lwa muntu mungi ate saabalamu. Ekibalo kye nakola nali ndowooza nti nsobola okufuluma mu ddembe, n'owulira olumu abaana nga bakaaba ng'olaba akaana kali eri kali mu bbanga. Naye kiki ekyo? Anti abamu butagumiikiriza, abalala butawuliriza mukuumaddembe kyagamba. Ate ebyo nga bibaddewo tekitegeeza nti okulamaga kuleme kubeerawo. Naye n'omulala bw'abalamu agamba nti naye lwaki neewaayo bwe ntyo? Ekyo nakyo kikulu. Lwaki neewaayo bwe ntyo ng'ate nsobola okukyewala? Nze kannamage nga bukyali ngende oba naasomera awaka, ekyo nakyo kisoboka. Naddala ng'obaze emyaka gy'olina n'obulemu bwonna bw'osobola okulowoozaako. Ekitali ekyo okulamaga tukukuume nga kwa mirembe. Tuwulirize abakuumaddembe kye batugamba, tuwulirize abasawo kye batugamba. Bakugamba nti kwata kkono ate gwereka genda ku ddyo. Ebyo nga tubigoberedde bulungi. Ate ng'ofunye obuzibu baako gw'otemyako kuyunge mangu w'oyinza okufuna obuyambi.
Oyogedde ku ky'obuzibu. Abantu bano abalina obwetaavu bw'obujjanjabi obukosefukosefu naddala bano abajja batuuka mutaddewo nteekateeka ky'okulaba nti bayambibwa?
Eddwaliro weeriri wano, eddwaliro Zia Angelina weeriri, oli bwawulira nga yeetaagawo obuyambi, edduka Zambwa, Kinyana Mpindi, ate nga tusembera eddala olunaku luli ejja kubaayo n'abalala ebibinja by'abasawo abava mu malwaliro era amalala nga bakolaganira wamu n'abazia Angelina. Kaakati abo batuukako mangu bakubuulire ekyokukola, tosirikira bulumi.
Kino kyetwadde twerabidde tulabye nga mu kaseera kano simanyi oba namwe mutegeddeko abantu bagamba babiri naye omugwe ensigo sinza otegeera nti kubo balamaza ababadde bajja oba wano oba ewaffe eri ewalala nti waliwo eyatomedde emmotoka. Kino nga mmwe abateekateeka emikolo bwegiti mulinako engeri gye musobola okisalira amagezi oba n'okusaba gavumenti kibe nga kitunulwamu?
Ekyo kiviira ddala mu bo bennyini ekibinja mwajjidde ne gye bava ate n'abantu baabwe ne gye bava babadde bugwanjuba gwenze gwe nawuliddeko. Kibi okulaba nga munnaffe yagenze bw'atyo, naye ekyo kati kiviira ddala eri gye bava boogeraganye balabe ate n'abantu baabwe bennyini nabo babeeko era kyebakola ekyetaagisa, naye sigamba nti ate Namugongo gye
eddoboozi lyammwe liwulira naddala limusaba oba we mwogera nti babona ate beemulugunya nti mu kaseera nga kano abagoba b'ebidduka nabo beddeko bamanye nti kati waliwo osobola okugatta eddoboozi ly'okwenyiza.
ne mukulu Enanga wa poliisi ekintu ekyo yakikonyeeko. Lwaki oli yandibadde aduumuuka? Si mu budde buno bw'okulamaga bwokka naye ne mu budde obulala bwonna. Lwaki tali buvunaanyizibwa? Ssomero gye wayigira eryakuyigiza okuvuga ekidduka lye lyakola ensobi oba bulagajjavu obwo? Omulala n'olaba anywedde yeetisse wano kati wano kye kimutuma kyakola. Lwaki? Si mu kulamaga kwokka naye ne mu biseera ebirala byonna. Lwaki oteeka obulamu bwo n'obw'abalala mu matigga? Kubanga wabaawo wootuuka nga tosobola nakwetaasa singa ne kakkapa kasala oluguudo n'okeekanga nga tosobola, olaba nti embeera eyo gy'oba otuuseemu. Nedda tukole ku lwa Katonda n'ensi yaffe.